Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. If you are new, my name is Vanessa. On today's DIY video, we're going to make a quick and simple mug rack using half crates that I bought at Michael's Craft Store. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I post super quick and easy DIYs, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I post new videos every week. Now let's get on with today's craft. For today's DIY project, I'm going to take 4 of these half crates. I bought them at Michael's. They retail for $5.99, but I had that 40% coupon, and I think I got them for like $4 and some change. I think even a little bit less. So I bought 4 of those. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give them a stain. Now, I'm not going to use regular wood stain. I'm actually going to use a combination of a brown acrylic paint and some water. This is Tempera paint from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to mix the paint with some water in order to just give the wood a very light tint. I don't want it to be too dark, and I don't want it to be as light as it is the way it came from the store. So all I'm going to do is give it a quick coat of the mixture of the paint and water. Now, I'm not going to mix the paint in the water. I'm going to dip my brush in the water and then in the paint, and then give it a quick tint. So let's continue and do this part. So now that the crates are dry after I tinted them, again, you can see I didn't tint them that much. I just wanted a little bit darker than the original wood, and I was happy that I achieved that look. So now I'm going to take some Gorilla Wood Glue, and I'm going to coat the top of one of the crates, and all I'm going to do is attach both of them with the wood glue. Now, you do need to let this cure for a couple of hours. I'm going to let it cure overnight once I attach these 2 pieces together. And that's all there is to this project. The wood glue holds very well, so there really is no issues with this coming apart. After I do the glue, I put clamps on them to make it tighter, and I'm just going to let them cure overnight. So let's continue with spreading the glue over these crates. So this is all that there is to this DIY. Pretty fast, pretty simple, just using these half crates. I wanted something that I could display my Christmas mugs in and set up my hot cocoa bar, and this turned out to be the perfect thing that I needed to do so. Now it's ready to display, and I am extremely happy with the way it turned out. So this was exactly what I needed to set up my Christmas mugs and display them in my hot cocoa bar. I'm actually very happy with the way that it turned out. Super quick and super simple. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.